What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be telling you guys how to use the email template for the free plan in the Mailchimp. For that, the process is very simple, easy, and to the point. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So let's dive right into it. Click on the link in the description below and you will be navigated to the Mailchimp. Just log in with your official account, and once you do that, go to the campaigns on the left hand side. Select the if you are going to create a new email campaign, you can go ahead and click on create and then select the email campaign and your design and your template, and then all you have to do is to click on the edit option here. So it will show you from which email you're going to send the email, what will be the subject. You can add the subject, preview tags, and time, and all that stuff. You can schedule it for the later, but we're talking about the template. So for the basic template, for example, the one that I have, I can do a bunch of things with it. For example, I can add a paragraph, I can add a heading, just like that. Just pick up the heading option from the content block, paste it anywhere, and you can do it just like that. See, and once you're done with that, you can click on anything else. For example, a divider, a spacer, a video, social links. But it comes all down to your creativity. How you want like to use it, how you want to add in custom merging tags, how you want to people see and interact with your email. This is something that is totally dependent on your own requirements. But for the safe side, I can help you guys to know that you can add images, heading, paragraph, buttons, dividers, spacers, videos, social logos, surveys, and all these 16 things. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.